Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw a Beanie Boos polar bear. So let's get started. To draw this polar bear, we're going to first start by drawing its head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve for the top of his head. And we're just going to go around so it's a little bit wider around the cheek area. And a big dumpling shape. So nice and wide on the sides. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. So a little bit flatter towards the bottom. There, that's the shape you're trying to aim for. And then from there, let's come to the side right here and bring in some ears. So about this area, I'm just going to add some ears. This big curve all the way around. And then let's draw the inside of the ear. Just follow your outside. And same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag some points across. So it's approximately the same area. So right there. So I'm just going to do the same thing. And back. And the inside once again. Okay, so we have our ears in. Now let's bring this sweet polar bear to life. Let's start with drawing an oval for the nose and mouth area. So I'm going to go really close to the bottom line right here, and I'm going to start to draw my oval. So I'll start by right here, and I'm just going to go around nicely in the center. Nice big oval, tall oval, and connect it. And then let's come in the center right here. I'm just going to draw the nose, run the top. Nice big polar bear nose, round it off towards the center. And connect it. And then a straight line right in the center. And a curve up on both sides. So up. Cap it off. And same thing over here. So this polar bear has a blue nose, so I'm just not going to shade it in black, but you can just give a little highlight here when you're coloring it and make it blue. So then from there, let's come in this area right next to this, and we're going to draw a circle. Big circle all the way around. And same thing here, so really close, all the way nice and big. Because Beanie Boos have huge eyes, right? Let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. So if you love Beanie Boos, please make sure to check out my Beanie Boos playlist. I have a penguin, a hamster. Oh, I've drawn many. I've forgotten what I've drawn. Hopefully you guys will love this one just as much as the other ones. There. So the same thing on the other side. There, so I have my two eyes in. I'm going to come to the top right here over the eye and just draw a small little curve above each eye. I think we're going to make this one a little bit bigger. Is it about the same size? Okay, great. Now let's draw the body. So we're going to come around where the nose is. So say about right here, and I'm going to add a curve. So we're going to draw the front legs. So about right there. I'm just going to go ahead and come down And I'm going to curve out and in. So this is going to be the first leg right there. And then, so it's going to be about this width for each of them. So I'm going to come right here, go back up. So about right here, draw another leg. So this one's going to be a tiny bit lower and bring it up. So this is the other leg. And then right here in this area, just draw a curve. The indication of the body, the chest area. So then from there, let's come to about, say, right here. And we're going to draw a curve for the back. So nice and simple. Just curve it out. So when you're drawing this curve, just make sure to be aware of this much space because it's going to be just one little leg right here. So about the same width as that. So don't come out too much. So about right there, I'm going to add this curve. And this one's going to be shorter. So it's going to come up about right there and in. And if you like, you can come in here just following this curve. So say about right here, just add a small little curve right there. Just an indication of the body area. And of course, we're not done until we add a little heart right here. And now it's my Draw So Cute polar bear from Beanie Boos. So there, hope you guys love how this little cute bear turned out. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.